Thought I'd give you a little tour of my front boxes. You gotta have fencing and deer fencing on top to keep the deers out. And this is all my kale. I had carrots behind it, which didn't, they never sprouted except those 4 there. So I just planted more carrots. I think it just never got warm enough, even though I had glass over it earlier. And then here's my other box. I had radishes and spinach. The spinach never sprouted, but here's my radishes, so I'm just going to plant radishes. I just keep planting radishes all summer. And again, we've got deer fencing on that because, you know, the deers come out here every day, and there's no protecting your bushes. You can't have flowers, you can't have anything other than what grows wild.